Hi, good morning. This is Navaldeep, and welcome to Navaldeep's channel, Daily Market Views. So today I'm going to cover the following tickers: futures, Amazon, AMD, Apple, BA, Google, Microsoft, Netflix, Triple Q, and Tesla. All of these we'll talk about their support prices, the resistance, stop losses, and my directional view on them. All right, so let's get started. So first come first, we'll go through the futures. Right now, future is holding a very important support level, which is 43.85, and it is making a lower high and a lower low yesterday. So right now, it has not made the lower low. So if it holds this lower low, like if it doesn't go below yesterday's low, then I think it will break this trend of going down and can move up. And if 43.85 is held, then and it doesn't make the lower low, it will try to test 44.20 and 44.20.30 probably. And once it breaks this long-term trend line, which is the dotted line in the black, dark black, it is open for 44.83. So 43.85 is a really important number. So just be cautious. If we are able to hold this, then we are going up. If future doesn't hold it and make a lower low, that is a confirmation that yes, it's making lower lows and lower highs, which is not good, and it might come back around 43.16 to have tested the 34 EMA, and we can evaluate it at that time. So right now, my bias is kind of neutral. I would wait to see if it holds 43.85 in the first probably 1 hour until 11. Then I want to cover Amazon. Amazon, like yesterday, kind of routed very largely, like it went below from this supply zone and closed right on the 12 EMA, right? So that was kind of positive. It held the 12 EMA and didn't close below it. Now, if it crosses above 36.56, it might regain its positive momentum and then can start running towards this zone where it has a huge amount of supply, meaning the sellers are coming in this range. If it breaches this, it's only going up towards 4,000. There's no interim stoppage for Amazon. In case it goes below uh, this 12 EMA, it will have support at 35.43. That will be a really, really good entry point for Amazon if you want to play for next couple of weeks. But if you are an aggressive trader, you can still take 12 EMA as support and can go along with it. I will only change my instance on Amazon once it goes below 35.43. Then I will turn bearish on Amazon. As of now, I am bullish. AMD, AMD had uh, excellent number, and yesterday it kind of tested 90 and managed to close above the 90, and it's right there in the pre-market. It's trading at 93.74, 93.75. So it has to breach this number. If it does, uh, then it will break out, and it does not have any resistance whatsoever until 107. So I'm very much bullish, and I've been saying in my videos as well that if 90 is held, AMD is about to run really big move. All right, so it tested this line 12 EMA yesterday, get a positive thumbs up, made a base, and now it's about to rocket. Apple. Apple is struggling around this range, and every time it goes around this thing, like yesterday, it made a high of 149, but then the sellers came and then it came down and tested the 12 EMA, and it closed right above the 78.6 Fibonacci. Now, for me, till the moment it is acting as a resistance, Apple may not move up. It only comes down and test 140, 38 and primarily 140. It has the potential to come down to test 140, and there is also a gap there. So if it fails below 146, it has potential to come down to fill this gap of 137, 138. So I am only going to be positive on Apple if it breaches 150, which is like multiple times it tried, but not able to cross it with strength. It always came down. It just kind of marked and came down. So I'm looking for 150 for Apple to breach so I can be very positive on it. Then my favorite stock, Boeing. So yesterday I posted about Boeing that it may fly soon, and it almost did. It had an inside day yesterday, and 225 was breached, and now it's trading at 234. Now this has been a very big selling zone for Boeing in last few months. So if it holds this, the next potential target is 239. Now this time, if it holds 239, this is going to break 252. So I'm very much bullish on Boeing. Then I will go to Google and Microsoft. So Google had this resistance line. Let me extend this to the right. Yeah, Google had a good earnings, and now it is trading at this zone. So 2730, 2720 is the zone where it might get stuck. So if it is able to breach it and hold it properly, we are open for more gains. But if it kind of gets stuck, it might come down and fill the gap of 2687. So I will be wait and watch for 2730, 2720 range on Google. And if it fills the gap and moves up, I'll be a buyer over there, not upfront. Microsoft, uh, again, Microsoft yesterday tested the 12 EMA 280, 288. In the after hours yesterday, it went down and then it popped up. Right now, it has to still cross this 292 wall, which it has been, like I've been mentioning it for a couple of days. Once it does that, it can move up really briskly towards 295 and 300 range. And that's where like it has multiple level of resistance here. So I want this to be like very, very strong push up above 292 for it to have a meaningful follow up. Otherwise, it will retrace. So I'm going to wait and watch on Microsoft with respect to 292. Netflix. Netflix, after the years, is making higher highs and higher lows, which is positive, but it's lacking some level of momentum. But it's kind of coming to a stage where it can push itself up. So 524 is the number where I'm looking to. If it breaches this number and holds above it, I can see a positive momentum building on Netflix. Otherwise, it will come down and will kind of consolidate once again. Right now, it's in this area where it is uh, has like filled the gap last time, and now after filling the gap, it is trying to come up. So 524 is really, really important. 524 up, it is positive. Tesla, Tesla like failed to almost every expectation. It posted awesome numbers, but then yesterday it again came back and tested the 629. Took the support, went up, but it kind of made a bullish, bearish engulfing pattern on the previous candle. So I would like to see if it comes around the middle of this candle, which is around 654, 655, and believe that from there it can come back down to 629. So I'm kind of wait and watch on Tesla. If 656 is held or 656 is broken on the upside, then the next level will be 670 and 686. If it doesn't, then 629. 629 has been attempted to be breached multiple times, but it has held as of now. So If it goes this time, we are going down on Tesla, and the support, actual support, comes around 536. Last, I want to cover triple Q. So triple Q, as I mentioned, that if it comes around 362, 361, it's a good entry point. So yesterday it gave a chance and it came down to the support line of 361. And if you did not had opportunity to enter previously, it gave you that. Now it's trading at 364 in the pre-market, about $1 up. So from 361, it's about $1, 1% move. So I'm bullish until 362, 363 is held. If we are going to go down below this, then I'm not positive on QQQ. So this number is to be held on the closing basis. All right. The other important thing is today we have Fed meeting at 2 o'clock, and Fed may announce tapering or may not announce tapering schedule. So depending on it, uh, the market will react. If they schedule the tapering, banks will most likely go up, and it will have an impact on the tech sector and the growth sector. If there's no tapering schedule and there's no clarity, then I think there's not going to be a big negative move. Tech will stay up. Banks may slide a little, but that's about to happen. And in case of China, uh, they are kind of held 1%, 1.5% gain yesterday, but after routing 10% or 1% bounce, I'm not sure what should I say, a dead cat bounce or something. But I'm really looking forward towards Chinese market because no matter what, now or in next few days, it's going to impact US. We cannot rule out anything happening such a strong level, strong way in the across the globe, and we cannot ignore it. So potentially we might see some impact on it, but I'm waiting for much more clarity. All right. So have a great day, guys. And again, these are all my market views, my understanding on my charts. If you want to try, make your charts, do your due diligence before making any decision. All right. Have a great day. Thank you very much.